आज हम सिर्फ 10 सेंटेंसेस सीखेंगे। हर सेंटेंस को 3 दफा लाउड बोलना है।
Sentence number 1. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. Sentence number 2. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. Sentence number 3. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. Sentence number 4. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sentence number 5. It is easy. It is easy. It is easy. Sentence number 6. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. Sentence number 7. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Sentence number 8. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sentence number 9. I like it. I like it. I like it. Sentence number 10. I understand. I understand. I understand. Task.
कमेंट में लिखें।
I am learning English.